Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're here in Afton, Tennessee again. I do quite a bit of rail fanning here. I've actually done a little horn honk here once. We got a green line on top, so we're going to be having a train coming from Bristol coming into Greenville. And my buddy Free TN Railroad is another good one you need to look up, subscribe to him. He is in Morristown, Tennessee, and he said there is a very friendly engineer coming through. But with the light being green on top from Bristol, we're going to be having a train leaving Bristol coming through Greenville before we're able to catch that train that is sitting in a siding in Airchime, Tennessee. This is another really cool place. We've been out here before. I've done horn honks. There's the mill, the post office. It used to be a big happening spot back in the day, but just like most towns, things kind of die out. The railroad stays, and everything else goes. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I had to go get me another cup of coffee. It's kind of a misty, kind of cool day out here, but in the short time I was gone, our signals have changed to all red, so it indicates we have missed the train coming from Bristol, which that's okay. I'm more concerned with the one coming from Airchime and that siding. From what I hear, he's a really friendly engineer and hopefully going to give us a good horn show. So we're going to hang out here for a little bit. I've got about an hour and a half to kill, so we might catch him, we might not. Talk to you soon. Alright guys, we're back here at Afton, Tennessee. Got a train coming. Shouldn't be long. Alright. That train is entering the other side of Greenville. Hopefully we'll get a nice shot right here going down the main line. Going towards Johnson City. And that siding right there is the one that goes to my work where I've done a lot of videos at the paper plant. Bear with me here. Readjust my camera a little bit. Maybe get me a little bit better of a bird's eye view. Yeah. See how that looks. Alright. Alright guys, we got a train with less than 2 miles away. It sounds to me like it's got a K5HL. I might be wrong, it might be a LLA with a little bit of age to it, but we'll see. Alright guys, here we go. We've got ourselves a train. great horn show. Oh, that's great. I've always heard that all the engineers around here that run this line said coming up into Greenville is all uphill and a very hard pull. So you can see coming out of Greenville, it's all downhill for a long way, almost clear to Johnson City. Hey guys, thanks for watching.